Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. I purposely did not group these boxes together. Let's say I accidentally forgot to do it. And then you take the Smart Fill tool and you start filling in spots to make some sort of pattern that I love, making like geometric patterns to go around an object or round object. Well, I don't really want to do that because you always want a tail and ending piece. And now I can't just grab the black. I could individually, but because normally if I would have grouped them together, I could just move them out of the way. Now you can't just select it all and go no lines, no outline, because if you go to view and go to wireframe, they're actually still there. So we'll go back to view and enhanced, and well, let's just back up to where we have the line. But we can go to the Windows, Dockers, and Object, and yours might say Object Manager. We created the curve last, the black boxes last, so they're on top. We could select that one, hold down the shift key, and select that one, and nudge. Well, I guess you can't just nudge them. Let's shift select that, and let's just grab them and take them out of the way. See, I don't have those connected, so I couldn't delete them. Now I could have, and of course what you want to do now is take these and weld them together because you can see the line, and now you can't see the line. And it's all one piece because if we go left click, right click. Now what I could have done, but there's so many lines, it might be a little bit harder to do. I could click on the first rectangle, hold down the shift key, and go all the way to the bottom and hold down that rectangle and then hit delete, and I've deleted all the lines. I just find it's easier just to move them out of the way. But that's why I group things together so I can delete those lines. Anyway, I hope that helped you a little bit. Thank you for watching.